Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with uSifiso uphethe ubaby wakhe ingane yakhe. Guys, we know last week's episode ended with uZethu delivering ingane kaSifiso and his wife. So uSifiso usesibayeni uzobika kwamkhulu ingane ukuthi seyifikile emhlabeni. He tells his ancestors ke ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ingane ihluphile, ukuthi the child had some challenges, but as a khathide my son displayed strength. I ask ngiyangicela ke ukuthi nimbheke, guide him, lead him and protect him at all times. And then that scene just ends like that. Next scene, the Shawana family are sitting outside, guys. The sun is nice and out. They are speaking about the incident of uMaNkwanyane, of how uZethu helped deliver ingane kaMaNkwanyane. So uZenzo being ubaba kaZethu then says ukuthi yey ngabe niyibonile into ibilaphayana igazi yonke indawo. Yazi ngenzani ke mina? Ngavele ngambamba uMaNkwanyane ngalezi izandla zami, ngagijima ngafika naye esibhedlela, ngangena laphayana etheater, ngambeka phezu kwetafula. Ngaleso sikhathi ngiyamuzwa ngendlela aphefumula ngayo, ingathi yey lo muntu uzokhahlela ibhakede njengamanje. The family is looking at him and they're rolling their eyes like to say, ihaba elingaka baba. Ungake being the brother kaZethu then says, how? Kodwa baba, wena wonke, weren't you the same person limping to the remote because of a sore back? And then uZenzo then says, oh, ubukhona wena njengoba ukhuluma nje. Unga then says, hayi ngiyazibuzela baba. And then everyone laughs. uZenzo goes on to say, yazi yangiphazamisa lona. uMashabalala then says, khubeka wena baba. Ayike ngempela uZenzo goes on to say, njengoba nginitshela nje, uyabona amanesi bebephithe namakhanda, bengazi ukuthi benze njani, bengazi ukuthi bahlanganise ini nani. Ubona nje ukuthi bayaqala nqa ukuhlangana nento efana nale, yeyike wafika uZethu. Hayi wathatha indawo yakhe uZethu. Ndambona esebabiza esithi, yey siphi isikero sami, apha ama-blade am, apha ama-gloves am up, yeah? uZethu is rolling her eyes like to say ukuthi that didn't happen. uZenzo goes on to say, uyazi kwenzekeni? They asked for ama-autograph akhe ngoba bebeqala nqa ukubona umuntu okwaziyo ukuvusa abafileyo. uZethu then says, hayi ngiyala sangweni, I don't remember anyone asking me for ama-autograph. uMashabalala then says, hawu mntanami, yazi ungabi namahloni zeze ngomsebenzi wakho omuhle owenzileyo. Uyabona if ubungekho wena mntanami, ngabe uMaNkwanyane nengane yakhe nababa semoshari njengamanje. uZethu then says, ma, bekune-crisis and mina nginesipiliyoni sokusiza, ngenze into that anyone would have done. uZenzo then says, how about ke uvula isibhedlela sakho lana Zethu? uZethu then says, okay, athi ngikagele ufuna isibhedlela sani sibize ngoZenzo Hlongwane angithi? And then uZenzo then says, Hlongwane Medical Center. And then they all laugh. uZethu then says, uyabona ke this whole thing is just about you and your name. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uMatron use office in like as she is on the phone. As she's on the phone, her son walks into her office. uShobane, who is uZethu's boyfriend. So when she's done at the phone call, she's like, how? Mfana wami. She gets up, you guys. uShobane is like, sawubona ma. She then says, boy. She hugs him. She's like, ngase ngajabula. uShobane then says, ujabula mina ma. uMatron then says, indaba ungangitshelanga ukuthi you are coming. uShobane then says, how bengifuna ukusurprise phela ma, angithi yabona ukuthi usurprisekile, ngijabulile njengamanje. uMatron then says, awungitshele uzohlala isikhathi esingakanani? He then says, insukwana ezimbalwa ma, angihleli, honestly ngizobona udali mina uZethu. You can see ba uMatron has kind of bored. She's like, Zethu Hlongwane. And then uShobane is like, ma, I like to say ungaqali. uMatron then says, kodwa ke mntanami okumnandi ekhabetheni endlini, I have all the ingredients to make you a delicious stew for supper tonight. uShobane then says, kuzwakala ngathi kuyahalisa kakhulu ma, angifuni ungasho kodwa ke I had already made plans to go out with uZethu for some fresh air. I need to see and speak to her ma, ngimkhumbule kakhulu lo muntu. Kodwa Kodwa-ke ngizobona mawan. Bengisho nje ukuthi sengikhona. Uyabona? As he's speaking like that, he's heading towards the door. Uyaphuthuma, guys, to go and see udali wakhe. Umatron then says, how? Saze savelelwa, and the scene just ends like that. Next scene, girl, we see uSifiso coming into uMatron's office. He knocks at the door, and uMatron, you can see she's writing, she's busy with something. She looks up and she's like, oh, ngena, ungahlala. Ngempela ke uSifiso angene ahlale phansi. He's like, oh, siyabonga. Ninjani kodwa? uMatron then says, ay siyaphila nina. uSifiso then says, hayi siyaphila nathi. uMatron then says, lalela ke, ungalinge ke ungitshele ukuthi uthunye uMankwanyana. uMankwanyana ngimtshelile kahle, ngathi ingane will come when the time is right. uSifiso then says, hayi ke, ngiyakuzwa wena matron, kodwa kahle ngithe ngize lana to inform you that inkosana uKhubeka ufikile. uMatron then says, yazi bengicabanga ukuthi sisenesikhathi, maybe about 2 weeks before azoteta. Ay kodwa ke noma kunjalo kodwa siyanibongela. uSifiso then says, ay siyabonga. Ay nathi sithukile ngempela. This really caught us off guard. Kodwa ke uDr. Zethu, she did a stellar job. Usebenze kakhulu. uMatron then says, uZethu, like to say uZethu futhi. uZethu's name, guys, is all over. uSifiso then says, yebo. Futhi ke ngiyazi ukuthi I harshly judged her. Kodwa ke ngiyabonga ngongazisa. uSifiso then says, hayi ke athi ngiphuthume, let me get back to my print nisale kahle siyabonga. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, girl, we see uZenzo. He is walking into the kitchen. uMashabalala, you can see that she just finished wash dishes. So when he enters the kitchen and finds his wife there, he then says, how? Ndlovukazi. uMashabalala ajike again. She's like, how baba? Uyambona what uZethu ukuthi ukhethe kahle nalo mfana lo. uZenzo then says, muphi manje umfana? uMashabalala then says, udokotela ushobane. Yeyi baba, lo amfana uyahlonipha futhi uyazithanda. Ngiyathemba ukuthi kungekudala uzothumela abomalume bakhe. uZenzo then says, hayibo, uthumela abomalume bakho ukuthi benze njani? uMashabalala then says, how? Uyazi baba, lo mfana uze wacela i-leave emsebenzini to come and see uZethu. Uyambona ukuthi uzimisele ngempela. uZenzo then says, hayibo, uyambona lo mfana ayikho into angayenza ngaphandle kwemvume kanina. Then uMashabalala then says, shuthi baba, mekunjalo ke kungumfana oqotho bengabe ekwazi ukuphilisana nonina. That means ukuthi he was raised well. uZenzo then says, yo, kodwa being in-laws noMatroni ayi ngeke. Shuthi uMatroni yaziwa, guys, ba hey unguchilling ungupelepele. Anyway, the scene ends like that. Next scene, we see the same Zenzo, guys, ungena etavern. He is so excited. He then says, wonke umuntu wozani sondelani. uShwabi, the tavern owner, then says, where's Zenzo? Wenzani manje uphezu kwani? uZenzo then says, hayi ke ngithi anginitshele ke nonke la eBergville abakwaHlongwane bangabantu abakhulu, abantu engingabalinganisa ne-national anthem. Niyazi ke indodakazi yami isizukulwane of the Ngwane clan engudokotela futhi wenze umlando kule ndawo, yavusa umama nengane wabafileyo. Ngenxa yalokho ke ngizothi kini, all drinks on me. Everyone shouts like, yeah, free alcohol. Ungake being the son kaZenzo then says, baba, hayibo, unesiqiniseko ngale nto oyenzayo? Usuthengela abantu lapho utshwala? Ukhohliwe ukuthi abantu balana abantu abanjani? Ubapha isandla bafuna ingalo yonke. uZenzo then says, hawu ndodana, usukhohliwe udadweni uRich futhi ke mina ngidube inyama ngingayidli iminyaka ewu4 because bengisa udadweni esikolweni. That means ke imali yakhe eyami yayimaphuzweni mabaphuza abantu. And then the scene ends like that. That time he's even dancing. Guys, did this man not say he needs to fix something because one of his tools are not working and he needed 11,000 or something? But here he is in the tavern, guys, busy buying booze for people. That time uZethu doesn't even have the money. And again, next scene, we see uZethu uhleli ngaphansi at her home. She is on her laptop when uSifiso shows up. uSifiso then says, sawubona maHlongwane. uZethu then says, how's Sifiso? Yindaba, umntwana uright. USifiso then says, yebo, ingane iyaphila. Uyaphila, he is as fit as a fiddle. Indenglethe la ekhaya. He takes something out of his pocket, guys, and he puts it down on the floor in front of uZethu's feet. uZethu, she picks it up and then she starts opening lento. USifiso goes on to say, that's my late father's bracelet. Bekangumlaphi endaweni. The Nyambose ancestors blessed me with the gift of healing people. uZethu is confused. She then says, lento ungitshela yona. Ungitshelelani? USifiso then says, ngoba soloko wadlula umama ongizalayo. I haven't been able to look at these beads. Kodwa-ke, ngesikhathi ngingene esibhedlela, you reminded me of my mother and these beads. I hadn't been to the hospital in years. Ngagcina ngelanga ubaba wadlula emhlabeni. He died in a car accident. He was rushed to the hospital. When he got to the hospital, the nurses and the doctors didn't help him. He bled out and died at the hospital. uZethu then says, Sifiso, ngiyaxolisa. USifiso then says, cha, ungaxolisi. Yimina oxolisayo. Futhi emva kwalento that happened oyenzileyo, I think I put all that happened behind me. Angazi ukuthi ngabonga kanjani for saving my wife and son. uZethu then says, yini isizathu sokunginika lento kahle kahle? USifiso then says, uthanda ungathandi mahlongwane. Kunento engaphakathi kuwe eyisiphiwo. Awuhlukile nami kanye noma wami nobaba wami abangizalayo. Usaleke, and then he just walks off like that. I don't know what he's trying to say, but I guess he's trying to say about uZethu what she does. She's not just a doctor. She has a gift of healing, and she's not far off from him because he has the gift of healing. His mother and his father have the gift of healing, and maybe that's why there's a connection between the two of them. Last scene, guys, we see uMatron usendlini yakhe. She's busy with some papers when her phone rings. She answers the phone and she's like, hello. uMatron khathazile mnisi okhulumayo, ngingakusiza ngani? The voice guy, the person who's speaking, then says, Matron mnisi, ukhuluma noBandile Ndlovu, i-CEO yeBergville Hospital. uMatron then says, oh, ngiyakuzwa, ngingakusiza ngani? The CEO then says, kwenzeke into eyisimanga izolo. Onesi bami wouldn't stop singing the praises, but ukhona udokotela owenze isimanga se-C-section. The matron then says, hayibo, yinto yenzeke nini le? Ingathi ngiyadideka nje. The CEO then says, izolo lokhu, lo waZethu hlongwane wakho, hayi shem, bathi wenze izimanga. uMatron then says, how? Yilona gama olizwileyo lelo. Dr. Zethu Hlongwane. The CEO then says, yeah, banginike lona. Mali futhi ngilibhalela phansi. Bangitshelile onesi bami. Ukuthi yena uDr. Hlongwane uthe uyi-replacement eklinikini yakho. uMatron then says, hayibo, ngididekile okwamanje. Kodwa bengicela ukuthi ngibuyele kuwe ngenze uphenyo nje. I will get back to you on my findings. The CEO then says, hayi kulungile ke, ungazisi ukuthi utholeni. And then the matron then says, hayi ngizokwenza njalo ngiyakuthembisa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. And then she hangs up and she shakes her head nje kanjalo. Now, guys, it looks like a whole CEO calling the matron. Should get the matron is going to be forced ukuthi aqashe uZethu, and at least uZethu, guys, she gets to get a job. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.